Open Part Design Workbench. Create new document. Set to right view. Create a new sketch. Select Sketch Plane. Select Polyline. Draw lines. Set horizontal dimension. Select Equal Constraint. Set vertical dimension. Set horizontal dimension. Create symmetry constraint. Close Sketcher. Select Pad. Give dimension. Check Symmetric to Plane. Select Sketch Face. Create a new sketch. Select Circle. Draw circle. Select Diameter constraint. Give dimension. Select Rectangle. Draw rectangle. Set horizontal dimension. Give dimension. Select Equal Constraint. Select Multiple with Control pressed. Change lines to construction lines. Select two endpoints and center point for symmetry constraint. Select External Geometry. Set horizontal dimension. Give dimension. Select Circle. Draw circles. Select Diameter constraint. Give dimension. Select Equal constraint. Sketch is fully constrained when lines are green. Close Sketcher. Select Create Pocket. Change type to Through All. Select Sketch Face. Create a new sketch. Select Rectangle. Draw rectangle. Create symmetry constraint. Set horizontal dimension. Select Equal constraint. Select Multiple with Control pressed. Change lines to construction lines. Select External Geometry. Set horizontal dimension. Create arc. Draw arcs. Select diameter constraint. Select equal constraint. Select points with control. Create vertical constraint. Repeat operation. Create line. Draw lines. Close Sketcher. Select Create Pocket. Change type to Through All. Select edges with Control pressed. Chamfer edges. Give dimension. Select edge. Fillet edge. Give dimension. Select sketch face. Create a new sketch. Select external geometry. Create line. Draw lines. Set vertical dimension. Give dimension. Set horizontal dimension. Close Sketcher. Select Pad. Give dimension, check Reversed. Repeat operation. If line ends don't match, use coincident constraint. Sketch is fully constrained when lines are green. Select Pad. Check Reversed. Give dimension. Model is finished. Select Body, right mouse. Select Appearance. Select Material, Steel. Save file, create new document.